Hello wonderful people, glad to have you here. Today we're doing a crystal haul from India. Now I participated in an auction which was held in gemrockauctions.com and I won a couple of gemstone pieces that I'll show you today. That was 2 weeks ago. It just arrived in the mail. It was pretty fast and we have the first win for the day. Now I did win these at an auction, but I did pay a very low price ranging from $5 to $7 for each of the pieces. So this labradorite right here, all of the pieces were around $7 for this, and it came in a cotton thread. I'm going to remove that and I'm going to make it into small necklaces and small bracelets as well. So what I love about this, they're authentic, they're very beautiful, and they're also customizable as well. I also ordered rose quartz and it came in a bead shaped necklace, and it has 4 different sets as you can see, and I can easily transfer that to a necklace and a bracelet, a couple of ones actually, especially ones that are customized for children. I could make a couple of pieces of these as well, or I could make 1 or 2 necklaces. So there's a lot of options right here, and I love how beautiful it is, how vibrant, how authentic it really is, because when I purchase the gemstones from local places, to be honest, I'm really sure about the authenticity, but with these they've passed all the tests. This is a sodalite necklace. It is quite large, it's very beautiful, but I will not be wearing it as a necklace. I'll then again be transforming that to a bracelet, and this piece right here, it's perfect for 2 sets of adult sized bracelets. And as you can tell here, the color variation is a very beautiful. We have amazonite right here, and this is an amazonite bracelet, quite large in its size, so they've been really generous with the sizing, as you can see here. So this will be then again made into a smaller bracelet, and there'll be a couple of beads left which I will then transfer to a customized bead necklace with about a couple of pieces each. This is a lapis lazuli, and I've been struggling to find an authentic lapis lazuli in Finland, and the ones that are authentic are extremely high in price. This is a moss agate pendant, and it's very lovely. The more you look deep into it, the more patterns and the more imagery you could find. So these were the purchases that I got from gemrockauctions.com, and they have a couple of really good authentic sellers that have high reviews. If you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.